Hey guys, it's Flip, and today I'm going to do an unboxing and give you a first look at this brand new Ego mower. This is the Select Cut XP mower with Speed IQ self-propel technology. It's model LM2167SP if you buy it as a kit with the battery and the charger, or if you buy it tool only, it's model LM2160SP. Let's get into it. Alright, so here it is. It's a new Select Cut XP mower with Speed IQ, and I'm going to go over what that means and all the specs of this new mower. I'm going to show you what's new on this model, and then I'll show it to you in action a little. My grass is still dormant right now, so I can't show you everything this mower can do yet, but I figured I'd at least show it to you mulching up some leaves, and we'll see how it does. And then I'll do a full review in a few weeks when I have some grass growing in. But for now, I just wanted to at least give you a sneak peek of this since it's brand new. So this is the new flagship model for Ego this year, and they sent this out for me to test and do a review on. So in this video, I'm going to go over all the specs in detail and show you everything it comes with. Then I'll put it through some tests and I'll come back with that full review in the spring. If you've got any ideas for tests you'd like to see me put this through, drop it in the comments below and maybe I'll include it in the next video. So let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed. Alright, so we got it all out of the box. Let's go over everything it comes with. So you've got the mower, of course, and it comes with an upper blade installed that stays installed at all times. It also comes with a mulching blade installed. Then you have this high lift blade for bagging right here on the bottom, and it also comes with an extended runtime blade right here. It comes with a phone case that can be attached to the handle up here, as well as a manual. You've got a 700 watt turbocharger, a 56 volt 12 amp hour battery. You've got the side discharge chute, a mulching plug, and the grass catcher. So the biggest things that jump out at me at first with this mower are the turbocharger, this 12 amp hour battery, and then you've got this new Speed IQ self-propel technology, and of course this new digital screen. So since those are the things that are standing out right away, let's start with those. So first let's go over the battery, because this thing is pretty unreal. So this is a 56 volt 12 amp hour arc lithium battery. They say this will get you 90 minutes of runtime on normal blade speed, and I'm going to put that to the test in my review video in the spring. And they say this will get you 80 minutes on turbo blade speed and 105 minutes on eco mode. It weighs 7.9 pounds and is compatible with all other Ego power equipment. Most of their batteries come with a 3-year limited warranty, but this one actually comes with a 5-year limited warranty if you register it online, and you also get a 5-year warranty on the mower. They say it has 1,000 charge cycles on the battery. So to the average consumer, that would last you about 20 years of usage. This is the charger it comes with. It's a 700 watt turbo charger. It's got a fan cooled charging system, and it'll charge up this 12 amp hour battery in 75 minutes. It does make some noise while it's charging, but then it stops once the battery is fully charged. But I'm going to take this inside where there's no wind so I can show you how loud it is. So that'll give you an idea on the noise level, and you can also see the fuel gauge up top there to show you what your battery level is at. And you can also download the Ego app if you want and connect your charger to it, and then use it to check the level of your battery's charge and even get notified when it's complete. Here's how you put the battery in. You just lift up this hinged cover and then push the battery all the way in until it clicks. And to take it out, you just lift up the cover, press the green button underneath, and pull out the battery. To give you an idea how loud the mower is, I'm going to let you hear it in all 3 blade speeds. And now just for fun, we'll throw in my old John Deere just for comparison. Now to the all-new digital display and Speed IQ. So this has the new Speed IQ self-propel technology that has digital sensors here in the handle, and it actually senses how hard you are pressing against the handle and adapts the speed of the self-propel to your stride. This is similar to the personal pace technology of another brand, but it doesn't actually compress down, so you've got less moving parts. There's also no speed control knob here in the middle of the handle like other models. And then you've got the digital display screen, which is awesome. And to turn this on, you just press the safety button for 1 second. So this will give you all kinds of readings. So right here in the middle, you've got your battery charge status, and you can see I'm at 100%. On the right side here, you've got your blade speed selection. So if you press this button, you can shift between turbo, eco mode, and normal. Turbo is more for high grass. Eco mode is to save some battery juice, say if you're running low on battery, and normal is just for your everyday cutting. On your left side, you've got your button to switch between self-propel being off or in auto mode. When it's in auto mode is when you can press on the handle and it will go. In the middle, you have your load indicator to show how much of a load is being put on the mower. And in the middle, you have a button for your headlights. And then you've got your cell phone holder that you can put your cell phone in like this and then zip it up. And then you can connect it to your handle just like that. So then you've got your 3 ways of cutting grass. So in the back here, you've got your shield to protect you from flying debris, and it comes with a mulching plug installed. But if you don't want to mulch, you can lift that up, pull out the mulching plug, or you can put in the rear side discharge chute. Or if you want a bag, you can take that out and put your grass collection bag on, and that will hold 2 bushels of grass clippings. So to turn this on, you just press the safety button in for a second, and you'll see the screen come on. And if you want to use this in self-propel mode without the blades, all you have to do is make sure that this says auto up here. Then you're going to pull in the bail switch and just push and start walking. To turn the blades on, you do the same thing, except you select a blade speed on the right here. So I'll go to normal, then you hold in that safety button and pull in the bail switch. One little tip, you cannot change the blade selection speed while it's operating, and you cannot start the blade motor when it's already moving in self-propel mode. This deck is a 21-inch plastic deck. You remove the battery by lifting up on this hinged cover, pressing the green button underneath the battery, and then lifting the battery out. There are also water drain holes down in the battery compartment. Got 7-inch plastic wheels in the front, 9-inch plastic wheels in the back. It's got 8 different cutting height settings, from 1, which is 1 inch, all the way up to 8, which is 4 inches. You can also see the status of your batteries charged through the cover. On the side rails, you have no wire coming up here like some of the other models, which is kind of nice. And the motor will not kick on if you don't have the side rails all the way extended. And this green locking clamp is down. And this only has 1 clamp as opposed to some of the other models which have 1 on each rail. It's got a quick adjust lever to put the handle at 3 different heights. To store the mower, you can take the battery out, release the clamp to put the side rails down, and then fold it down. As far as your blades go, first of all, always make sure your battery is out before you stand this up and get under here. But they call this the Select Cut multi-blade system, and it's a 3-in-1 system. You can mulch, you can side discharge, or you can bag. It comes with this upper blade installed, which is always installed no matter what mode you're in. And it comes with this mulching blade installed, which is a more aggressive gator blade, which is used for mulching up grass into finer bits. Then you've got a high lift blade, which is better for sucking grass up for bagging. And you've got an extended runtime blade, which isn't as great at cutting grass, but it'll make your battery last longer. So let's see how this thing does mulching up some leaves. Like I said before, I don't have much grass in yet, but we can at least see how this does chopping up some leaves on some different settings. So as you can see, it did a pretty good job mulching up those leaves. And the last thing we need to cover is price. It looks like it's going to be around $1,000, so it's definitely on the expensive side, but it's also high quality. So that's it. That was a detailed overview of this mower. Once again, once I get some good grass growing in, I'm going to do more of a review with my thoughts on this mower and the pros and cons. But hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, please hit the thumbs up button for me and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.